Good morning from the Chardon Weather Center. This week we have a rather quiet pattern for much of the eastern part of the nation where I generally do my forecast from Ohio into Pennsylvania, New Jersey. And let me not forget my good friends in Delaware. What we have this week starting with Sunday is a rather quiet pattern. I just wanted to point out to you that the green is rain and the pretty shades of light purple or snow. And yellow, of course, would be a mix. As we move into Monday afternoon, and this, by the way, is the Canadian model, which I'm using for this week. I'll probably show you some GFS models with the same pictures as far as the graphics go, as far as snow mix, and of course the green is rain. Now, as we can see, all the action is out in the far western plains with perhaps a decent little snowfall for the Montana out here. As we approach Tuesday afternoon, you can see that our good friends in Minnesota into northern Wisconsin could be picking up a few inches of snow, and right down here is the rain as the low system approaches the Ohio Valley. This is Tuesday. This is the GEM, the Canadian model. Let me just show you what the GFS is showing for the same time frame. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of difference as far as scope and strength of the precipitation, but it has a general same idea with to the north some snow, a little mix in the middle, and showers and rainfall down in the southern plains. As we approach Wednesday, we can see that the rainfall is spreading through the center of the nation, and it's moving has its eyes set on Ohio. Temperatures would be mild in this time frame, with temperatures perhaps 5 to 10 degrees above normal from Ohio into Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. Late Thursday morning, we have a pretty wound up storm system over Wisconsin, and it could be quite breezy and windy, especially in Ohio. And of course, there could be rainfall in New York, Pennsylvania, and Maryland, and of course, showers and windy showers at that in Ohio into Illinois. Also, let me take a look at the Canadian for the same time frame and see what it's showing. It's showing a system not quite as wound up as it was on the GFS, but still there'd be some high winds between the gradient and between the high pressure and the low pressure right here. So it's still going to be a windy scenario no matter how you put it, with decent amounts of rainfall in this area down through Illinois into Arkansas. On Friday, the storm system has whisked its way up into Canada. The cool front has swept its way all the way to the east coast with this right here, and it's cooling down a bit for into next weekend. As Saturday rolls around, we have some showers coming off the lakes, and it probably will be too warm to really be in the form of snow, although there certainly could be some sleet in the higher elevations downwind from some of the lakes on Saturday. And that's on the Canadian model. Let's see what the GFS shows for this same time frame. And as we can see on the GFS, there's general model agreement with rain showers the predominant mode for the eastern lakes, and of course some snow and mix in the northern Great Lake area. And it'll just be a cooling trend with temperatures perhaps 5 degrees below normal come next Saturday. Thank you so much for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center for this week's presentation for weather for Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware. Thank you.